What's the meaning of Coolabah? Coolabah. Coolabah.
Coolabah. Coolabah. Coolabah is a term that refers to a type of eucalyptus tree native to Australia. These trees have a distinctive appearance and are known for their ability to survive in harsh, arid environments. The word coolabah is often associated with Australian folklore and the outback, as these trees can be found throughout the country's vast and rugged interior. Overall, coolabah is a term that speaks to the resilience and adaptability of both the eucalyptus tree and the Australian spirit.